Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're here in Ingoldmells at a place called Fantasy Island, which is the biggest amusement park that's free to enter. You just pay per ride or get a wristband and you get on a few rides. As you can see behind me, there are two gigantic roller coasters in a town that I bet you've never heard of. Let's go and check them out.
Yo, it's the Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
It's also worth noting that Fantasy Island, you can actually stay here and you can also purchase caravans here, but there are lodges that you can stay. So if you want to come to Lincolnshire for a roller coaster thrilled weekends, you can stay right next to it and you can hear all the screams all day long. So we catch the loop-de-loop. Beautiful timing on the camera work there. There they go, up the Odyssey. I think it's called the Odyssey anyway. I hope they like roller coasters. Don't look down. Let's hear the screams. All quite quiet, stunned into silence. Here they come on the pass by. So we got the snow drift coaster over here, and then we got a gigantic swing, real high swing, and then we got the rubber dinghy rapids. Well, I'm not sure it's called that. Wild river rapids. Water could do with a clean.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, anybody else out there want to come and join me in the rollerball?
winner on the Hook the Duck game is playing to play. In just 20 minutes time, join Captain Jack and get ready to dance and party with music.
There's all the usual things you'd expect, hooker duck, all the little winner prize games, and then there's this giant roller coaster down the middle. It's quite funny when you actually drive down this road and you're just next to a massive roller coaster. Even being under it's unusual. They don't normally let you do that at theme parks. We've got a big arcade through here. Basketball. So naturally we have to check out the bar first. We're in Castaways. Cheers. So here we go in the centre now, all the roller coasters sort of meet round here. It's actually crazy that you can just walk under all these roller coasters. So over here we got our log flume with the runaway. You see the runaway train that goes round it? I'm not really sure. It might be one that's small enough for me to go on. Here we go, log flume coming down. Woo! Oh yeah, nearly got soaked. Smaller kids rides around this area and a little picnic seating area as we pass the log flume. No one on it, but the dreaded noise just before the splash. The classic spinners. And what we got around here? Or the coming up to the dodgems. Well, I always think they're bumper cars, but apparently you're not allowed to do bumping. Apparently it's a, you're supposed to dodge. Sunglasses. So this is the largest market in Europe. at an amusement park, which is weird, but cool though. Look at these statues. Wow. Cool owl.
Really testers themselves, ladies all on there, gentlemen.
There's a whole decked area over here. Island beach. Wow, there's actually an entire beach under all the roller coasters. I'm not sure it's the best place to have a sunbathe. But there's an actual beach. And then above you are both of the big roller coasters. How crazy. Even got some deck chairs. Now we're talking Fantasy Island deck chair and watch everyone scream on the rise. The theming all through here is really cool, like a jungle thing. This is like a golf thing, I think. Jungle golf. And then these hot air balloon things, you can have a ride on them. And then is that a slide or a water slide? Don't know where that goes. What goes around here? Well, there's water somewhere. Wonder where that goes. Is that a log flume? That's Captain Jack's bar. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. That's been our little tour of Fantasy Island here in Ingoldmells. It's got everything you could possibly want. Markets if you like to shop, bars if you like to drink, and gigantic roller coasters if you're a bit of a thrill seeker. Do come and give it a go and let me know how you get on down in the comments, and I'll see you next time on the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.